An inopportune time to have a Cadbury's cream egg.
Is that a Danny I hear whispering?
What? No.
How goes?
Oh, hello, it's a bull.
Why is there already a morphine stick on the floor?
Oh. It was not me, I swear.
Oh, Danny, thank God you're back. I had to gun down so many people last time.
Oh, don't worry. I can share this load with you.
Well, my aviators are missing.
Oh, no.
He's missing his
Stop
prescription
mission.
glasses.
Cancel the
Hello
mission.
there, Danny.
I need. I feel naked.
How many people do you have to gun down before you get a medal?
Just waiting for Bull to just get...
Fucking annihilated.
Yeah.
You guys have literally got my life in your hands, just so you know. Chamberlain, I've got a target for you.
Okie dokie.
On the roof of one of the buildings in the compound, there's a man on a dushka. In the
I
event
see
he
him.
looks at us, you are to kill him.
Roger.
Glad we didn't drive past that.
Could be a ceremonial dushka.
Right, stay here a sec, guys.
Are you being bait again?
No, I'm not being bait again.
Oh God. Timber. Well, is this
No.
operation just a sham so you can smuggle fucking morphine back again?
Well, I don't know what you're on about.
Well, can I check your backpack real quick?
I'm in the floor.
I mean, congratulations.
Didn't your parents never tell you not to do drugs? This is what happens.
We've been trying to reach you concerning your car's extended warranty.
McNair, Justin, take the first one. I'll take the second one. Fox, Cactus, take the rear one. Thank you.
But it's got Delta stench on it.
Dude, I'm getting seasick. Can you fucking not?
Bull, I think I'm gonna need a therapist.
Don't worry, I see civilians as targets all the time.
No.
Ulu, Orlo. That's a great fucking film. I love referring to movies as films just to sound like a little bit extra fancy. Oh, that's a wonderful film. Yes, the animated film
we've
from
got
that
the respawn back
DreamWorks
in.
studio.
Roger, did you leave this guy's weapon on him?
Mistakes were made, but, you know, we learn. Does that helicopter pilot get paid by the minute he's airborne? Because Lord have mercy, he hovering.
Talk to a pilot about why he's wasting taxpayers' money.
I'll just have a large fry.
Price machine broke.
The after death throws.
Did he just go? Bleh?
The flopping of the gun. By the way, Bull, what's the best way to contact HR?
Uh-oh.
That's gonna be a mess, guys.
Delta?